Okay, I'm gonna do a really cool demonstration on the fiber that I take. You may have seen this, you may not have seen it, but I just want to show you the difference between a normal fiber and then the balance fiber that I take. We're gonna take two different fibers. One, I'm just taking a regular Miralax, and I'm gonna pour it in some water. And then I'm gonna take the balance, which has 9 different fibers in it, and pour it in the same amount of water. Okay, so we have an over-the-counter, and then we have the one that I take. We're gonna shake both of those up real good. And when you see, once I stop shaking, you'll see one does not coat the water bottle and one does. Okay, so the one that coats the water bottle is obviously the balance. And when I talk about, or y'all hear me say it has a viscous gel that coats in your stomach, this is kind of what it looks like. Again, just for reference, we've let it sit for just a minute, and you can see this one still has a coating over the bottom. This gel reduces the carbohydrate impact on your body. It helps you maintain steadier, consistent energy levels throughout the day, which prevents energy spikes and crashes that happen normally. It helps promote healthy digestion. It's kosher and gluten-free. And check this out. We're gonna pour both of them in a bottle, which you can see the one on this side is a lot thicker. This one's like water. Then we're gonna take some carbohydrates, some of my favorites. We're gonna dip it in, and you see this one just drips right on off. This one, the gel is holding those carbohydrates. That's what it's doing in your stomach. Pretty cool, huh? It slows the digestion down and doesn't just go right through. It also grabs a hold of the carbohydrates and carries them right down to your digestive system. By taking this fiber 10 to 15 minutes before your meal, you feel fuller longer, you eat less on your plate, and you just feel more energized. If you are interested in learning more about this fiber and helping your gut health journey, click the link in my bio, scroll down to the Feel Great system, click there and grab some information, or just message me. We'll talk about it.